Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we have an unboxing of the newly released Acronym Prestos. These just dropped a few days ago. It's the second collab that Nike has done with Acronym on the Nike Air Presto. And pretty much what they do is they take the Presto and they give it like this cool little collar and put some zippers on it and pretty much, trick out the Presto to make it look a lot more sleek and a lot more, designer, I guess. So I want these off the Nike sneakers app. There are size 10, and we'll look at the tag first. So it says Air Presto Mid Acronym. Suggested retail price was $200 USD. And then getting inside the box real quick, let me just show you guys what's inside. So this obviously comes with the shoes, has the stuffing, and then it's just regular white paper with the Nike logo on it. So getting right back to the sneakers, here they are. Talk about some of the details. So of course, it's like the Acronym print going through the heel cup, and there's 3 different colorways of these, and all 3 of them, incorporate this style in a different way, which is really cool. On the medial side, we have the cages, the regular Presto cages, as well as on this side we have the cages once again, and then we have a black and white midsole. Really cool touch how they did 2 different colors. And then on the toe, of course, we have the logo, like the print again, followed by the Nike logo on the toe box. And then going up, we have the Acronym print right here covering, the seam between the toe and the tongue, so it's pretty cool. And then going up, we have these black laces followed by the yellow tongue. So the reason why I copped this pair, well, I went off the sneakers app, but besides that, like, this was my favorite colorway. I know the pink and blue one, a lot of people dig that one, but this is the most wearable and the one that stands out to me. Like, it's really cool. Best of both worlds. So I had the yellow tongue, really cool touch. Obviously that's what the Acronym Prestos are popular for. And then we have the Acronym branding here, followed by the zip on both sides, and they're connected to each other with this back right here. And then getting into the label, size US 10, made in Vietnam. More clear look at that. Getting into the insole, we have a leather insole that says Acronym times Nike Air. Pretty cool touch that they put leather on it. Other than that, any other details, just a regular Presto outsole. You guys have seen a million times by now. So yeah, also let me show you guys how to take down the zippers. So if you take them down, just really easily. Same with the other side. And then you can also wear it like this, like cuff your pants in. I like it with the zipper up. Personally, I think it's a little bit cooler, and this looks a little too messy for me, but you have the option, so that's cool. Let's just talk about some of the materials used on the shoes. So here we have like a mesh on the toe and a similar type of mesh on the tongue, although it feels really smooth and soft. And on the back we have, like on the heel, they actually use leather, so pretty cool touch, and a cool transition that they used between the sneakers kind of gives it like a luxury designer type of feel. And of course we have another design here that's also used for support on the sneaker, and then they added like this little circle thing near the cages, so cool touch there. Better look at that. Yeah, overall this is one of my favorite sneakers to drop this year, hands down. I've always been a fan of like the Acronym Prestos, and I'm pretty glad they did some new colorways, and they actually made these ones stand out a lot more than the first batch that came out. So really cool sneaker, glad I picked these up. If you guys want to cop them right now, they're going for about $60 over retail, so it's not that bad. Prices on these will go up, similar to how they went up on the first drop. And yeah, so if you want them, cop them now. All right, with the review out the way, I'm going to give you guys a quick on-feet look at these sneakers, and hope you guys enjoyed on-feet, and thanks for watching the video. Alright guys, so here's a quick on-feet of the Acronym Prestos in the dynamic yellow colorway. As far as sizing, they do fit true to size. I got a size 10 and I usually wear a 10 and they fit perfect. Alright, let me show you guys quick 360 of how they look. So here's how they look with cuff joggers with the entire shoe itself showing. This is how I prefer to wear it. quick 360 look at that. And if you want like a low top kind of look where you cover up the ankle collar, this is how it looks. Comparison. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope this helped you guys make a decision if you want the sneaker or not. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and until next time.